I think today is a record early start. I am on the Katy Trail before 8 o'clock in the morning. It's a really beautiful day. I am starting out in shorts and a short sleeve shirt. Last night I was hosted for the third time on the Katy Trail. I stayed with a woman, Marian, and her two just sweet rescue dogs. Just a big thanks to everybody who has hosted me and supported me. She took me grocery shopping. We had a really nice dinner, made breakfast for me, had great coffee. And so I'm getting a good start here on the Katy Trail. I'm almost to the end. It's gonna be my last day. And in fact, I'm gonna be crossing into Illinois very soon. So, all right, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Oh, it's pretty, isn't it? Just a simple tunnel under a road, but all the beautiful flowering trees framing it looks so nice. And I am just finishing up the Katy Trail. This last little bit through a spooky forest. And we are coming to the end of the Katy Trails at Mackins, Missouri. Yeah, so the Katy Trail is a state park. It's 240 miles. It's the longest state park, probably the narrowest. And I took it from Clinton in the west to now Mackins in the east. And so now I'm gonna find my way out to this road out here and figure out how to get across the Mississippi River. Back on a paved road after riding 240 miles on the Katy Trail for pretty much a week. This will be a bit of a change. Back to riding with traffic. And it looks like I am coming to the Illinois state line. Very, very exciting. It's pretty bright out here. I don't know if I can see the Mississippi River. All right, see you later, Missouri. Hello, Illinois. All right, so welcome to Illinois, and I think I have found a bike path along the river here. Let's see, how am I going to go? Is it to the left? This bike trail that I am on is the Mississippi River Trail, and I think that this trail goes the entire length of the Mississippi River. I'm going to be taking it maybe, I don't know, probably less than 10 miles. But yeah, this is kind of exciting to be on a bike route. probably can't see them. There are a lot of white pelicans in the water in the Mississippi River. In fact, on the other side of the river, there are big colonies. Just, I don't know if you can see these white patches. It's a lot of pelicans. White pellies on the Mississippi River. We got a flock of turkeys, wild turkeys. Yeah, see you later, turkeys. In the town of Edwardsville. It's kind of a sweet town here. The theater, one of the, oh, I love buildings like this where they have an animal. Butcher shop has a big cow on it. Love that. So I have made it to Illinois. I am in Pocahontas, and I am staying at the Powhatan Motel. And from this sign, it really looks very, very sketchy. They have a restaurant, and then I have checked into a room here, which is surprisingly nice. Today was a really big day. I started being hosted by a woman named Marian, who I've known on BentriderOnline for probably 15 years. This was the first time we met. She lives in St. Charles, very close to the Katy Trail. And today I finished the Katy Trail, and then I found my way across the Mississippi River into Illinois. And I was on a lot of bike paths today. It was just beautiful. Just the route just went from one bike path to another. And then I got to Edwardsville, and there were just really small, very quiet farm roads for the rest of the way. It was an absolutely gorgeous day. I did 67 miles, probably about 800 feet of climbing. So I got Myrtle here and the trailer, and the door is too narrow for Myrtle to fit through it, but I asked the cook at the restaurant if he would help me, and he did. And he also said he'll be here in the morning to help me get Myrtle back out of the room. And so, yeah, it's kind of interesting. The weather is for sure warm enough for camping, but I just couldn't find a place. I put in a couple of requests with warm showers in Edwardsville, but I just didn't hear anything. And I even wrote to the fire department here to see if there was any place to camp in this town or the next town, and I just didn't hear anything back. So, I'm staying in this, which seems to be a pretty nice hotel. I think I'm going to be really comfortable here. So, all right, you guys, welcome to Pocahontas, Illinois.